So I just wanted to do a quick video on how to number your document. So I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers. So let's get started. To do that, the first thing we need to do is go to our Pages panel. If you do not see your Pages panel, you can go to Window and then go down to Pages and it'll open right up. Okay, so we already know that the Pages panel pretty much just shows us how many pages we have in our document. So according to my Pages panel, I have 12 pages. So what you may not have noticed is at the top of our Pages panel, we have something that says None, and then we have something that says A-Master. So we're going to take a look at those master pages. I'll zoom in. So the master page controls everything that happens behind the scenes on that page. So let's say I had a header, and I wanted that header to appear on every page. I would put it on my master, and my master will automatically, every page I create would have that same header. It could be a logo that I want on every page. In this case, I need page numbers on every page. So I'm going to show you guys how to add those page numbers. So you go to your master, double click, and you notice that it looks like we have a blank canvas. So pretty much what this does is it represents everything on the left side of your document and everything on the right side of your document. So when we do page numbers, some magazines don't have a number on every page. Some may only have a page in your right corner, and that is it. Some have a page number in both corners. You as the designer, it's up to you. I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you need is a type box. So I'm just going to make a box right about here. This is where I want my page number to be. All right, now that I have my box, I can pick the style of type that I want. So I'll just choose the second one and call it a day. I can also pick the size. So I'm going to make my page numbers really super big and dramatic just so you guys can see them really well. I'm going to pick 36 point. Of course, your page numbers will never be 36 point. They may be like 12, somewhere in there. So I'm going to hit 36 just for the sake of this demonstration. The next thing we need to do is we need to go up to type. We're going to go down to insert special character. We're going to go over to marker and then current page number. So notice that A popped up on our page. That A is going to be representative of a page number. InDesign is going to do it on its own. There's nothing for us to do. So I think one thing I want to do is because I want to be fancy, I'm going to take this line tool and I'm going to put a little design next to my page number. So maybe I'll put it about here. Okay, so now that line looks super thin to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to make it a color. We'll just do blue for now. And then I want to change my stroke size. Right now it's at 1 point. I can select from the list to any size I want, or I can use these little triangles on the side to push the numbers up or push the numbers down. I think I'm going to do a 3 point for now. Yeah, I think 3 points good. I think that's good. Okay. So I'm going to make my line a little shorter as well. Okay, I think that works. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to edit copy, and then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it in place. You don't have to paste it in place, but I do, because that way when I move it over to the other corner, it'll already be lined up. So I'm going to slide it over here, and then I'm going to move this over because I want my number to actually be on this side. I think that's good. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay. So now that we have that done from here, I would save. And let's go back to our document and see if our page numbers are on there. So I'm going to click page 1. And there it is. Got number 1 there. When I scroll down to this spread, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5. I need to adjust my type there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and oh, and finally 12. All right, so our page numbers are there. We know how to do it. From there, I would go back and change this type, move my type up so it's off of my, page numbers. If you don't like the color, of course, you can change the color by going back to your master page. And you can change the color of this. You can change the color of your numbers. You can change the font style if you want. But that's all there is to it. So you just go up to your master pages, go to type, insert special character, markers, and then current page.